Valentine's Day, and I had a lot of fun doing this look. I was a little anxious about it because I wasn't sure how it was going to come because my first time like trying this look. But overall, I'm very excited. I love how it turned out. I think I went a little bit pink overload, but it is okay because sometimes you just gotta be cute. Alright guys, so to begin, I'm applying the light pink shade from my Eclipse palette with my MAC 163S brush, and then I'm going back on top of that with a darker shade of pinks from the Eclipse palette as well. And I wanted to slow down this process than normal because I'm not going into too many different transitional shades, and it's really the same colors, just going in and just applying them continuously to get the desired look that I require. Alright, so now that the transition color is blended, I'm going in next with my NYX Jumbo pencil crayon in the color Milk, and I'm applying it in my lower lid to prepare for my shadow application. And for the base shadow, I'm applying Sephora Hippie Girl, and I'm applying this shade mid lid because I want the V of my lid darker for the transition process throughout the eye. So for the V here, I'm going back in the Eclipse palette and using the darkest shade of pink. And then once that is blended out, I'm going to go back in on top of that with the Makeup Academy palette. And I'm applying this burgundy brown tone to assist with the transition color. And for the most part, that burgundy color from the Makeup Academy palette is going to be the helper here because it's going to help me transition the colors and help with the blending process of the transition. So for the most part, that is what I'm doing here, just blending it out, reapplying more if needed be, and just transitioning and blending that color out. And guys, I wanted to put this disclaimer out there because a few of these brushes, I'm not telling you guys the names because they're so old that they're either rubbed off on the side, or some of these are from Walmart and they don't have a name. So yeah, I just wanted to put that disclaimer out there for the reason why some of these brushes I'm not telling you the names is because either I don't know or they don't have a name. Sorry. Okay guys, so I want to come on here and share with you guys a little tip I found very beneficial because I wasn't able to buy the glitter glue. So what I did was I went in with Vaseline, yes, Vaseline, and I used my MAC 167S brush, and I just used that to apply the Vaseline to my lid. And now I'm going in with my Glitz Empire Rose Gold glitter, and I'm applying that to my eyelid, and I'm just blotting it as I would do my normal eyeshadow, just applying that and also going back on top of that for certain areas to apply the glitter, and I'm taking it all the way through my lid. Okay guys, so as you can see here, I'm going in with my Ruby Kisses and I'm just forming my wing liner here, and I've been using the tape because I find it to be helpful when I'm trying to perfect my wing and I'm trying to keep a clean look. So with the tape it does help, and it also helps me perfect my wing, so that's what I'm doing here. So the wing is pretty much complete, and what I'm going to do next is go on with my Clinique mascara and apply that to my lashes, and then off camera I'm going to apply my Kiss brand Beyond Natural, and I'm going to apply that off camera, and then I'm going to come back in and apply my white base onto my waterline as well as apply my shadow. And I'm going to go in with the Vaseline as well as go back on with the glitter and apply that all throughout my waterline. So that's what you're going to see in these next couple steps. For the most part, I'm complete, so I'm going in with my Milk of Magnesia primer and I'm setting my face. So I'm just rubbing it throughout the whole pores of my skin, throughout my whole face. And then once that is dried, I'm going in with my Maybelline concealer in the shade Honey, and I'm just doing under my eye. I'm doing that to cover up the dark spots as well as clean up the areas where the glitter may have came down some. So that's what I'm doing here. And then once I've completed that, I'm going to blend it out with my blender. Once I have evenly distributed out the concealer under my eye, I'm going to go in with my setting spray from e.l.f. and set my face. And once I set my face, I'm going to go on top of that with my Bare Minerals Perfecting Face brush, and I'm going to blend in my foundation, which is the L'Oreal True Match W8. And then I'm going to go on top of that with my Black Radiance setting powder and set my face. And then I'm going to go back on there and reapply my concealer in my T-zone areas. And I'm going to apply it under my eyes and my forehead area and my nose areas. So that's what you're going to be seeing next in my next couple steps. Here I'm going in with my Black Radiance contour, and I'm just going in to do my cheekbone areas, my hairline areas, which I call the C-zone, as well as I'm going to do a little bit around my nose area to help contour it. So that's what I'm doing here in this next part, and then I'm going to go in and just blend out everything evenly. Once everything is evenly distributed, I'm going to go with my e.l.f. contour palette and just contour the C-zone around my face where I have blended out the contour. And once that is evenly distributed out, I'm going to go with my Laura Mercier and just set my T-zone, which is under my eye, my forehead, and my nose areas, as well as I'm going to go in under my cheekbones where I have contoured and just help that be more defined. guys so much for watching my video. Thank you anybody who is coming from Glam Stars channel to watch our collab videos for our Valentine's Day look. Thank you, thank you, thank you guys so much for coming to my channel and watching my tutorial on this Valentine's Day look. Please don't just be a stranger. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Go ahead and like and comment and tell me all the feedback that you guys have. Come on and let me know what you want to see next. I'm so thankful that you guys came on to watch my video, and I cannot wait to see you guys in the next video. Don't be a stranger. Thanks again. And guys, I put the link below for Glam Stars channel, as well as you can go watch her video for the collab that we done for Valentine's Day. Again, thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next video.